Hey guys, welcome to my completion of Misfire. It's my new hardest, finally beating Carcano after like a year and a half. Pretty similar gameplay, all being pretty fast, like flow, sync based stuff. It's kind of what I'm good at. I've beaten like a fucking Vigintillion extreme since Carcano, but I just haven't gone for a new hardest because I don't like going for hardest. It's not fun. But yeah, I finally have another good one. Probably gonna do some easier shit. Probably gonna do like Blade of Justice next because I really want to do that. And yeah, that's the vibe. So I got some testimonials here from my good friend Coco Snack. Um, if you would please listen.
Hi, my name is Coco Snack. This completion is very good, and you should watch it the whole way through. And I make music, but I'm gatekeeping it. It's gate kept. Yeah. So basically, um, I suck at Counter Strike. Okay, the end.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wakey till they were till they hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Boom! That's 5 big booms! Boom! 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 Fucking... Fuck. New hardest, stream Monarch of Monsters by Violet Pony. That's all I have to say. Oh, you love to see it. Anyways, I've been recording for 2 hours. I got 94 twice on this level before I beat it. Thank you all for watching. New hardest. Let me actually calculate the attempts I have. Let me open a calc. Actually, no, I only have attempts on this because it has built-in shit. So, I'd say it's more like 7.6 thousand only because, I have like 1,000 attempts missing because my game crashed. But outside of that, you know, 5 big booms. This level is a 10 out of 10 level. I love everything about it. It's really good, and I played it for so long, and I still enjoyed it by the end. Okay, the end. Thank you for watching.